In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page and install the Wiz Site Search on your site. We'll move step by step so you can follow along easily. First, make sure you're in your site editor with the main workspace visible. On the left side of your screen, look for the panel that lists your pages and tools. In that panel, click on Add Page. This creates a new space where the search tool can live and keeps things organized from the start. You don't need to adjust layouts or settings right now. Just make sure the new page is created and selected so you're working on the right canvas. Next, head to the search bar in your editor or marketplace area. This search bar helps you quickly find features and integrations without browsing through long menus. Click into the search field and type Wiz Site. Be precise with the spelling to get the correct result immediately, and give it a second to return the results. When the results appear, find and click on Wiz Site Search. This opens the detail view for the tool, so you can confirm you've selected the correct item. You should see an option to proceed with adding it. That's your cue to continue. Now click on Add to Site. This is the action that actually installs the Wiz Site Search onto your newly created page. After you click, the editor will begin the loading process. This can take a while, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. It's normal for the system to download resources, register the component, and set it up in the background. While it's loading, avoid refreshing the page, closing the tab, or clicking away to other sections in the editor. Interrupting the process can cause it to restart and take even longer. If you see a spinner or progress indicator, that's a good sign. Just let it run. Depending on your connection and the size of the integration, it may take more time than usual. Be patient and let it finish. Once the loading completes, the Wiz Site Search will appear on your page. You'll typically see a search bar or widget placed onto the canvas. At this point, you're done with the installation steps covered in this video. Take a quick look to confirm the element is visible on the page and you're all set. That's it. Click Add Page, use the search bar to find Wiz Site, choose Wiz Site Search, click Add to Site, and wait for it to load fully. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to double check the process.